Hello, this is Jia Khan and today I will show you how to sign up or use our membership portal to view your booking details. First of all, open the website of Lakeshore City. On the top right corner, you will see the option called Client Login. Click on that. Now enter your CNIC number into CNIC field and enter the same CNIC number into the password field without any dashes and spaces. Then click on Login. Once you logged in, this page will appear. Now on the top right corner, you will see the setting icon. Now click on that and select Edit Profile. A new page will open. Here you add your first name, last name and your active email address. You can also upload your picture if you want. This is totally optional. After updating your profile, click on Logout button from top right corner and log in again. Now on the main page, you will see a button called Verify Now on top. Click on that. After verifying, your account will log out again. Now check your email you entered earlier. You will receive an email from Lakeshore ERP. If you didn't see that, refresh your page and check your spam and junk folder. Open the email and click on Verify link. Simply log in again with your CNIC number and the page will appear. Now here you can see your property details including your booking and other information. If you want to see your full ledger, go to the left side and click on the menu icon and select My Ledger. A new page will appear. At the top you will see a customer option with selection box. Click on that. Your bookings will appear below. Select the booking you want to check. Your ledger will be displayed. To check your payments and receivings, you will see a blue line in the instrument column. Click on it and the details of that specific payment will appear. And if you are facing any issues while logging into your membership portal, feel free to contact us and we will resolve your issue within 48 working hours. Thank you.